Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store on Windows 10 is not updating or downloading apps properly. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time, and you want to type in PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on this and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now in this Elevate command line window, you want to go and copy what I have in the description of the video, and you want to go up to this top bar right here, right click on it, left click Edit, and then left click on Paste to paste in the command. Then you want to hit Enter to run it. So this will take a few minutes to run. If you see any red text, do not be concerned. There just might be a couple processes that are running currently on the computer, which obviously can't be modified. So we're just not going to be too concerned about that, but it's going to be working in the background. So this will take a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that's done, guys, it should just say Windows System 32 with a little blinking light next to it. So pretty straightforward. You can see a couple things are currently in use, but we did successfully run that. So I would recommend closing out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue's been resolved. I do have a troubleshooting utility I will include in the description of the video from Microsoft. You guys are more than welcome to check that out in addition to this. So again, I do hope this tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.